Hello students, welcome back to Maths online class. Today we are going to do mental maths from page number 47. So students, for the time being you can write it down in your textbook when I am explaining, I will explain the question as well as I will give you the answers. Okay, you try to understand it. Alright. So afterwards, after the class you can write it down in your copy. So this is the question. Okay. So number 1 is 20 less than 54. Okay, you need to understand this one too nicely, children. Okay, so 20 less than 54 means you have to, less than means you have to subtract, you have to minus, that is 54 minus 20. Okay, so when you do 54 minus 20, how much you get? Yes, if you can think, or we can do it like this also. 4 minus 0 will be 4. Okay, let me write it. 4 minus 0 will be 4. Okay, then here it is 5. 5 minus 2 will become 3. So the answer is 34. First number answer is 34. In the same way, number 2 is also 72 minus 30. 72 minus 30 also directly you can minus. From 2 you can minus 0. It will become 0. Okay. Then 7 minus 3 will be how much? 4, right? So it will become how much? 42, isn't it? So let us write the answer here, 42. We have learned the subtractions very nicely, so it will not be very tough for us to write about the subtraction. Okay. Now number 3 is 84 minus 50. Okay. So you have to do 84 minus 50. So 4 minus 0 will be here how much? 0. Alright. Then 8 minus 5 will become how much? 3. Isn't it? So 84 minus 50 will be 34. Again here we are going to get 34. Okay. So you write down 34. Now the next question is, if 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, 8 minus 5 is 3, we all know. Here also we wrote 8 minus 5 is 3, isn't it? So 8 minus 5 is 3, then 68 minus 5 will be how much? So 8 minus 5 we are going to write here 3, then this 6, here is nothing in tens place, so 6 will come down, isn't it? So the answer will be 63. So let us write here 63. Okay, so this is 63. Now number 5. Number 5 is 3 tens plus 7 ones. Okay, 3 tens means 30. Okay, 30 plus 7 ones means 37. 30 plus 7, 37. Now here it is how much? 2 tens means 20 and dash ones. So we have to, how many ones should come here to make both sides equal? Here it is only 20 and here it is 37. So 20 plus 17 will become 17 ones, then it will become equal, isn't it? So it will be 17 ones here. To make both sides equal, you have to write here 17 ones. 30 plus 7, 37. Here 20 plus 17 will be 37. Okay. Now in the same way, number 6. What is number 6? Number 6 is 8 tens plus dash ones. Okay. So 8 tens means 80. Alright. Now here 7 tens means 70. And 10 ones means 10. So here 7 tens plus 10 ones will be how much? 80. Alright. So here only 8 tens is becoming 80. Isn't it? 8 tens 80. So how many ones it should be? This side and equal to this side and equal to the left hand side of the equal to, and the right hand side of equal to should be equal. So 8 tens means 80, 7 tens means 70, and plus 10 ones means 7 tens plus 10 ones will be 80. So here it should be how much? 0 ones, isn't it? 8 tens plus 0 ones will be 80, and right side 7 tens plus 10 ones will be 80. Okay. Now in the same way, here dash minus 0 is 39. So this 39 must come here, then only a number minus 0 is the same number, right? So we have to write here 39. 9. So 39 minus 0 is 0. This is 39. Okay. In the same way, 83 minus dash is 0. So when do you get 0? A number subtracted from the same number gives you the answer 0. Right? So what we have to write here? 83 minus 83 will be 0. So we are going to write here? We are going to write here 83. Alright children? So you please write it down 83 in number 8. And number 9 will be a number minus dash is equal to the previous number. Okay, a number minus how much you are going to get the previous number? Suppose for example 5 minus 1 will be the previous number 4, isn't it? Before 5 is 4. That means previous number of 5 is 4. That means how many numbers you have minus? You have minus 1. That means what? A number minus 1 is equal to the previous number. Now you have to listen this number 10 very carefully. Okay, this is so much to understand here. Okay, so on subtracting 1 from a number, okay, you don't know that number, what is that number? Okay, you are subtracting one number. Okay, from a number you are subtracting 1. Alright, then it becomes 1 more than 79. Okay, so 1 more than 79 is how much? 1 more than 79 is 80. Yes or no? This one more than 79 will be how much? This is for you to understand. Okay, 1 more than 79 is 80. Alright, now on subtracting 1 from a number, so when you subtract 1 from a number, you get this 80. So what could be that number? Do you think it will be 80? No, it will not be 80. On subtracting, once more, on subtracting 1 from a number, okay, so what is that number? We don't know, so we have to subtract. Okay, so it becomes 1 more than 79. So but we know 1 more than 79 is 80. Okay, 80. Now on subtracting 1 from a number, so from 81, when you subtract 1, you get 80 or not? When you add 1 to 79, you get 80, right? And when you subtract 1 from 81, you get 80. So on subtracting 1 from a number, and you have to find out what is this number. Okay, so the number will be 1. The number is 81. Children, don't write 80. Okay, 80 will not be correct. 81 is the right answer. Alright, this one I circled here and wrote all these things to make you understand. Okay, hope you understood this question. This is little bit complicated for you to understand. Okay, but it is not so tough. Okay, so now we have completed page number 47. Mental maths is over. Now let us see word problems. Okay, so word problems we will be solving tomorrow from the textbook. Now today we are just going to do one word problem that is already given in your textbook. Okay, that is this one. Okay, this is the question. I will just explain it to you. Alright, there are 52 children in class 2. If there are 34 boys in the class, find the number of girls. Okay, in a class of class 2, there are total how many children are there? 52, including boys and girls. Okay, so out of that 34 are boys, so we have to make the columns like this. Okay, one sentence. Alright, this is the total number of students, 52, 5 to 52, minus this is the number of boys. Okay, and we are doing the subtraction here, but we cannot do the subtraction like this directly and write the answer in class 2. You have to write the statements. Okay, these statements are very important. Okay, so what you are going to write? You have to write down the total number of children in the class. How much? Total number of children in the class is 52. Then this is boys number, isn't it? So number of boys is 34 and number of girls, how you are finding out? You are doing the subtraction here, okay? 52 minus 34. So 2 minus 4 is not possible, so you are regrouping it. This 5 is becoming 4 and this 2 will become 12, okay? Now 12 minus 4 is 8 and here 4 minus 3 is 1. In this way you are getting here 18 and the number of girls in the class is 18. Okay children? So this one I just explained the question which was already done in the textbook. So tomorrow we will be doing the word problems from page number 48. So be ready for that. We will be writing in the copy, okay? So thank you children. Have a nice day.